What is saying?
Nyamiado me be a wako now so.
Nyamiado me hoye pa. BBI fine. And then Friday.
Yeah.
Enti transfers no say bebre.
Yeah.
Anti na kran nya say. Na Friday no. In fact be kran what transfer story be. Up to now nya update bia so ho. I will to the message number. Na yama update on that transfer no. Now so who said ya honsam no. And so see contribute to the message no afa oko YouTuber Nhyira TV Facebook and Nhyira 4.5 obeti the message number na ya kasa transfer no and wasem e diamanti Josh maybe a person there start bia no patcho minimate for it you.
Yeah, Rich, in fact me I like your direction for today because on say the transfer news number it's here for no say omunti omo clubs ni be din ye if you see me Chelsea na dey bia we dey beka wan someone and I make say na me ka dey bi dem bi na me ka say Chelsea na hear most of the deals no into Chelsea common e be but Rich, I think one of the reasons why I ain't say teams be to Liverpool and Arsenal more in the market is because of the fact say on the market in the more din kakra now we share the strategy of A teams now obia person o play the cards very well because we share teams on Europe in the next season now. And you be an a person obe release the star player. Ediama another competitor on him say be a Champions League Rebecca Cristiano baby. So a lot of teams are playing their cards very well. The reason in Chelsea transfer stories no more is because of the fact that Xabi Alonso has become that person. Ultimately, your players need be urban in chain. So that is one of the reasons why I hear Chelsea for no very very active in this market. Maybe I'll start with Chelsea for now, because in Sembebre, if we Chelsea for no eba. One of the things I no pay me who and say Chelsea for no after purchasing Morgan Rogers move for over 117 million pounds no. Right now, no man who say also muton players nibi. Oman yes sales now. Omuntimi and go back into the markets to bring any other player back because Chelsea for no what they want to do is that they want to balance their books. In Tisawako for Morgan Rogers 117 million abadia. You have to make sure so players in beer or more surplus to requirements or Chelsea CC and you have to sell them. Now players been a year ka almost and now no pay never to Badia Shield. Defender for the Badia Shield. Xabi Alonso man who say he's not part of his project. Into the agents I play an agent no catch so much new club and manu. Now assistants now Napoli for and a person for brand for close to I think about 15 million pounds. 15 million pounds for Benoit Badiashile. And Sadio is progressing very well. I'm sure by the end of next week, Benoit Badiashile will make that exit from Chelsea Football Club. I will be kusina kai ama Napoli. Near free Chelsea for also Eba is Axel Dizazi. On also has to go. Now already na clubs be in the chair or more share so met me a deal be amana.
So Oko West Ham, right?
Oko West Ham.
Okay.
Oko West Ham Ankoye into Osaba back. And he's one of the players Xabi Alonso say me any Juma with the current project or person. So he's one of the guys who is also going to go. Yeah, Chaloba, Trevor Chaloba there. Because Ushe player and Pana, you can agree that at least the kind of determination he has to play for Chelsea, Unka, if he was allowed to be part of Xabi Alonso project, Yanka any bad. But according to reports, come for the Sikabe 35 million euros ebae. And I think at this point, Chelsea would want to accept that 35 million to allow Abranti Efreno, Trevor Chaloba to leave the club. Now, on the Osha Sanyama Winina, one of the things that Chelsea focus on said they want to maximize profit. It is a players, but to say Chaloba mo, Trevor Chaloba mo, you have Badiashile. Once they are leaving the club, you want to make sure that one negotiate very, very good price for them. Send you will make profit and you can go back into the market and make some very good purchases. It looks like now, one of the main areas Xabi Alonso peso or Yehwe Jumapai midfield ho. Inti se obekaya me be catch there or say Steve Parish chairman of Crystal Palace or see Adam Watt na Chelsea for dinechi na compeso mu signing no. Right now as it stands, so obi pesa player no from Crystal Palace dia. Ono na ye na so obeton for 100 million pounds and above. Nothing more, nothing less. The starting price for a player now, your friend Adam Watson, 100 million pounds. And as it stands, Chelsea 4% call omu sales new year. They go back into the market for star player. Because I think one of the strategies for Xabi Alonso, they say, person solidify midfield ni ye pan. Because one of the focuses is a chance creation in this new season. If you are able to create quality chances, Rich, you are able to score quality goals. And you know, when you look at that posture, what means or person or reinforcing midfield, no? Because they say, oh, Enzo Fernandez or Moise Caicedo or Romeo Lavia. So now or the Morgan Rogers have home. And when you have all of these players, now the Adam Watson sube kahua, at least dominance in the midfield, ball retention, chance creation, you get more of that, and especially in the final third, so bit me create chances, maybe bit me show goals. And I'm not shocked. Say one of the focuses of Xabi Alonso a midfield dominance, or person making sure say or solidify who ni ye pan. Say na Chelsea bit me into the season with a very very good and strong midfield. Rich, the story from a year Arsenal for Australia Eba just about 5 minutes ago and Sana Meba is that they have agreed a deal. Arsenal for BNTM Yepa, Arsenal have agreed a deal to sign a brand friend Bruno Guimaraes from Newcastle and Newcastle for Ajiatum.
Okay, now Hussein Mohamed Sadat go update on Bruno Guimaraes to Arsenal.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the latest. Just about 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
A deal has been agreed and it's averaging at least £75 million
from Newcastle.
Until that deal is going to happen in the next 2 to 3 days. Mubehu say Bruno G asha Arsenal tadia or sign Arsenal. That's confirmed. Arsenal for no munkama kuma ntumu yem munya signing ba kwa kama. Who say na Roman so Eddie Gabriel Martinelli echi. And I was thinking about it. Say, I don't know Arsenal after winning the league. No, I say omu players be person mu free or even Nancy say Odegaard was considering leaving. Besiktas for befa Leandro Trossard and you are asking, say, are the Arsenal for no? Don't they want to keep them players to prepare them for a
sometimes are playing time? Martinelli, so Arsenal on starter.
Yeah.
Is I say using as super sub.
Yeah.
So what I say?
Yeah.
And players need to be on Pesa. That tag super sub no.
On him, no.
As I say, me anytime be am a bench. You resorted to me.
I got 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
The mabasa me message and no. Players need to be on Pesa.
Yeah.
And playing time because they be on the national team ground. The coach catch Samasa. Nancy has playing time or club level and perform. And the boss it affect our performance.
Yeah.
So it is our national team coach.
Yeah.
Definitely a boss announce no. U2 and is okay. So me come a club side. Not so no. Coach, I'm nini ya juma ain't me show me that playing time and me pedia. Then me force me way out. No ma pe club and me fuse one more there. Omo me am there me pe. Probably be no bet me had the factors.
Well,
a bit me am Martinelli because me name the reason why Martinelli.
So free Arsenal. And even with Champions League a call final. No? I was thinking that for some of the Arsenal players, they will get that motivation. Say, if we have done it to this point, there, next season, no, we can go again and we can try and win it. In the was our players way at your disposal there. I was saying, you have to motivate. There was so to me show crying. No more say, okay, it doesn't matter. We went to the Champions League, but we didn't win it. Yeah, we need league, no. So with the league alone, it should be enough motivation to keep sending players, but as it stands now, no, of course, maybe a Bruno G in the transfer will be the starting point for a team to get more players in the market. But Rich, Osha Bruno G on the transfer now, I think one of the main things Arsenal finding here in their midfield now is that dominance. Utiminya play a bit say Bruno G with the kind of strength or work and how he's strong, how he's able to also battle or that destroyer type of player now. You will need him in that midfield because Osho Obit says Zubimendi has a very good attribute in terms of air chance creation, working on and off the ball. Onusu to me, yes, but Bruno G, the kind of dominance or midfield in terms of tackles and challenging 50-50 balls. No, I think this is one of the players at Arsenal for no, as they have signed him. No, he will be one of the very, very great transformational players for Arsenal in their midfield, and I think say is good. But on say Newcastle for no so almost sema abontin because of say omakofa new coach I friend Matthias Jaisel wabra Eddie Howe eka say on to na so after 5 years in charge, no. It also signals another thing that Koso or Newcastle United. Usha Newcastle United over the last seasons or two, over the last one season or two, we say omo lose some key players bi.
As on project, you know, I don't know.
Acquire style.
Omo ya say no.
They be on the new owners na buy, Saudi owners na buy, no. They haven't really seen eye to eye with Eddie Howe. Because
that's what they.
And yes, and that's what they. But you see, even the transfer of Alexander Isak from Newcastle to Liverpool, no, not any Eddie Howe there. He wasn't really of the support. Say, a player who is giving me this kind of numbers, then we want to instantly allow the player to leave just like that. In comparison, convincing player no to stay at least one more season.
But it's actually about
you see
the player in question.
Yeah.
Or sit Newcastle me mobium.
Good.
What has a new adventure? And Timunja me kobo Liverpool. Honest no money.
You see, it's a very delicate conversation. And the entire maker say, also normally no, say club owners no, any manager no, and to me agree on a certain number of things that must be done to retain some of the players. A dream maybe not say a player no crown or I didn't say a person renew new contract for team now.
Okay.
They will make a stance that they want to leave. Player say Anthony Gordon. Yeah. I honestly feel that Anthony Gordon in combat me asonimu for at least one more season. Because after now owners no, Saudi Arabia for owners, Abaji club no. So they would want to build the club successfully to a certain point and some of Metimia can say, yeah, cash out on these players. But you sold Alexander Isak, you sold Anthony Gordon, you sold Sandro Tonali, and now you have sold Bruno Guimaraes. A woman says he can a year there, but if you lose all your star players, coach now all bas is on one man. So it means they would have to go into the market and go and make more recruitment.
Zakaria Simon, the message biaba na yenafenye transfers on semnye. I say good morning, Richardo. Please, I want to know the latest update on Rodri and Bastoni to my darling club Real Madrid.
Rodri, Diano, as it stands right now, only say Man City are trying to close in a deal on Ayub Buadi.
Okay,
Moroccan international player. So it could be say that is one of the things that if say it's me see Real Madrid Man City for now, then they may try and release Rodri. Of course, when you compare the two players, the experience on both sides are different. Yeah. Rodri has more experience, but Rodri now he wants to leave. It is a Manchester City
1 year so
good. And Manchester City now are you body deal on person signing from Lille no? What they are telling Lille for is that they need the player now. Are you body come signing now? Emma Man City CCA, but Lille for no say they want to keep Ayub Buadi for 1 more year. Inti Kobe signing CCAO, but they will keep him on loan for 1 season. Then after that season, no, he will go to Manchester City. That is where the conversation is at.
Okay.
But Ubi Samia, I think one of the things that a coincide for Rodri deal no to Real Madrid is because of Ayub Buadi situation. No, if Manchester City are able to complete Ayub Buadi deal, no, and they convince Lille Metropole for say omu hiya Abrante ni CCA, no omu ja Abrante man by Man City there. I think they will allow Rodri to go.
Because Buadi is Lille for some per 100.
Yeah.
And Real Madrid will be to 60 for Rodri.
For Rodri.
A player can 1 year.
Yeah.
And to say, oh, yes, City. Player can 1 year. So, okay, maybe 1 year. No. After 1 year, make a fee.
Yeah.
Which Madrid better Akaso?
They will allow him to.
But 1 year, no. You come as a free agent.
That's right.
Which I don't think City.
I better agree to that.
Yes,
when they know they can make some money from
that's
him.
it. Yeah. And to sister there, Eddie Ombama Branton, and I agree with you.
Yeah.
Maybe Omo train Buadi, so Branton is due no go through.
Yeah. They will allow Rodri to go.
Catch Rodri, yeah, because to me. And so I come here say to me the last one we Etratona Ibiabana Yasaya to so Alex Ousu. I say I want to know about Vinícius Júnior. Issue concerning his transfer.
Yeah, it's Vinícius Júnior. No, there's a standoff. As we speak, Siciano. Only Real Madrid in penny for no, they met.
Okay.
To have a conversation about a 30 million euros net salary or per year as in a new contract. No, they have still not gotten to any point of emphasis agreement. And that is where the situation is at. It's a standoff. But on says Siciano, one of the major things that will influence Vinícius Júnior in the situation and say he will have to come to a compromise. He will have to come to a compromise because on your not doing so person free Real Madrid. So that's the positive side of the thing. Because you're not doing so person free Real Madrid then ABA Arsenal for any interest, they would have stepped it up and increased their money. Then they would have made sure that they will get an allowance on Omu books, no, in terms of Omu salaries, no. Free up some salaries and get a year player and say Vinícius Júnior to come and join them. But as we speak now, no, as now for soon ready say ABA Sikano Ombepejem, because they were proposing 470 million pounds. Now they were going to have to suffer a lot to get that money to pay Vinícius Júnior per week. Until Vinícius Júnior and Sikano and Jessica Kitwao 470 million pounds, 470,000 pounds per week. Now, Arsenal, if they decide to pay that amount every week, I'm sure say by the time we will not bankrupt. But they will not own say.
Yes, how do you know? To be honest with you, mini UKCCA and mini England ho. But no crown pan say me sure say Ebia Vini reps no. Omu used to Arsenal as a bait. Because Vinícius Júnior, there's no way of Real Madrid.
That's
Ebia was so used to Arsenal. Now Real Madrid for who say, hey, akwe kra say, hey, ya suit to ho. Intibia ni demands ni meeting. And at the country of Madrid and some person bears the moment South Kana Vinícius Júnior penalty be man no. Mbappe,
Jude Bellingham. They also want an increase.
Players no so be so okay say one more only increment there and you so man be.
But on say Rich, that should not be the way to go. On say contracts are negotiated per player. In Vinícius Júnior Edrumre bi no who say at this point no he wants an increaser. I was say Real Madrid for no any player no omutimi di nkomo. Because where the standoff is at right now, no, and Shana akwe akasakasa bibre, and if you don't take care, Vinícius Júnior bet me akasa obi AB and the contract then running out. No one as a free agent.
Madrid on cast on you. Madrid say, me shama who adia Vinícius Júnior. When I met me at Yamau, and a Vinícius say, look, they say me a senior player.
Yeah,
baby, I'm a love one to do. Hana means me fata. Madrid is me to me for own quad love.
But Madrid will have to get to a point where they will agree with the player.
Of course, I know they'll get to that point.
Say, and yet 30 million poor. And yet 30 million
maybe at 27, 28
something thereabout, and convince the player say at least there will be performance related clauses attached to the contract.
Okay, maybe the Champions League money,
so that should be the compromise.
Okay,
and Vinícius Júnior was so tears.
I mean, you are making a point.
No, because this is a team that is full of star players.
Sure.
And so one year what do you say over compromise kakrana, then it means that you are prioritizing your selfish interest at the expense of the club, and I don't think Real Madrid for no they want to entertain that thing.
Everyone come on here bebre me didn't come kitu ebni asaba be twaso dia mamo transfer